Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. James Leung, Assistant Dean for McMaster Center for Simulation-Based Learning, or CSBL for short. The Center for Simulation-Based Learning is a vital space for educating and training future healthcare providers across all healthcare programs within the Faculty of Health Sciences. As a regional hub for healthcare simulation, we are truly at the core of our faculty's approach to health education. Spread over 2 locations in the Health Sciences Center, the CSBL consists of 26 different clinical teaching spaces, including our high-fidelity simulation rooms like the one I am in now, and a new immersive room. These dynamic, multi-sensory spaces expose learners to realistic situations and lifelike environments to test critical thinking and decision-making skills. Not only can we adapt our spaces to meet the needs of undergraduate, graduate, and post-grad health programs, we also offered a standardized patient or SP program. SPs are people trained to reproduce a scripted scenario based on a defined set of historical, emotional, and/or physical criteria. The powerful combination of our simulation spaces and SP program ensures learners translate what they learn into class into the skills and knowledge needed for patient care. We pride ourselves in offering a safe, controlled environment where learners gain the practical, hands-on skills needed to be the healthcare leaders of tomorrow. Learn more about the Center for Simulation-Based Learning at simulation.healthsci.mcmaster.ca.